Is your help desk system drowning in a sea of disarray? Don't let outdated systems and inefficient processes drag your business into a vortex of chaos. As your organization grows and evolves, so do your help desk requirements. But the thought of migrating data between systems can be daunting. Introducing Help Desk Migration, your trusted partner for seamless data migrations, no matter the platform. The automated data migration service helps to match and map your data easily. With a few clicks, we'll securely migrate your existing groups, agents, organizations, customers, tickets, and knowledge base articles, sections, and categories between source and target help desk systems, ensuring a painless data import without loss or downtime. Out-of-the-box customizations save you time and effort. For instance, add a new tag to sort out migrated tickets, move inline images, skip attachments to save on data storage, migrate the newest records first, migrate content translations, and other options. Whether you're upgrading to a new platform, consolidating systems, or simply seeking a fresh start, Help Desk Migration has imported your customer service data. Get started with a trial demo migration at our Help Desk Migration website.